Welcome back here in this new video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how we can use the SUMIFS function to analyze the sales trend based on multiple criteria. Here you see the sales revenue and profit of different month are given based on multiple criteria like the sales officer and the item name. If I select a different sales officer from this drop down, the values will automatically change. Similarly, if I take a different item name or the product name, the values gets auto change. And here the sales revenue and profit is calculated based on these criteria by using the SUMIFS function. Here in the first table I have the source data of sales. This is the sales data of a company where there is the date, month, customer name, item name, quantity sold, and other information like cities, sales manager, sales officer, selling price per unit. These are the information available, and here I am going to show you how we can do this kind of analysis by using the SUMIFS. So let me delete these functions here. First of all, you have to create this table with the month, sales revenue and profit. After that, here you need to create a drop down for choosing the sales officer and choosing the item name. If you don't know how to create the drop down list in Microsoft Excel, then you can follow the video tutorial. The link is provided in the video description below. After that, convert your source data into the table format. The benefit of converting the data into table is when you update the new data here in the source, then it will automatically update here too. And another benefit is it will be easier for us while writing the formula. So to convert this data into table, first of all select the whole data from the beginning till the end, then press the Ctrl T in the keyboard. That opens create table dialog box. Select this my table has headers, then click OK. Now here you see a table design tab is activated. You can click on this, then give a name to this table by going here. Let's say this is the sales underscore data. This is the name. While writing the name here, use the underscore symbol to separate every single word. Now press enter. Now the name of the table is given as sales data. Now go to the sheet 1, then start using the formula. Press is equal to, then type SUMIFS bracket open. In the sum range for the sales revenue, we have to choose the sales revenue column of the sales data table. So for that, type the table name first, that is sales data. When you type sales, it will suggest the table. So double click on the sales data table, then to choose the column, open a square bracket, then here select the sales revenue column, close the square bracket, then give a comma. In the criteria range 1, we have to take the month range of the source table. So here again type the sales data table, choose this by double clicking, open a square bracket, then choose the month column by double clicking, close the square bracket. This is the criteria range 1, then give a comma. In the criteria 1, select this month name that is given here, that is in the D4 cell. So here type D4, and before the column D apply the dollar symbol, because we need to lock this D column, which is required when we copy this formula for profit. Then this column should remain constant. Now click at the end of the formula, then give a comma. In the criteria range 2, we have to select the sales officer range of the sales data table. So here type sales data, choose the table, then open the square bracket, then choose the sales officer column by double clicking, close the square bracket, then give a comma. In the criteria 2, we have to select the sales officer name here in this cell. So click on this cell, then lock it by pressing the F4 key, then give a comma. In the criteria range 3, we have to select the item name range of the source table. So here type sales data, choose this, open square bracket, then choose the column that is the item name, close the square bracket, then give a comma. In the criteria 3, click on the item name of this cell, then press F4 key to lock it. Pressing F4 key applies the dollar symbol here. You can do this manually as well. Now close the bracket. The formula is complete. Press enter, and here you see the sales revenue of this item sold by this sales representative in the month of January is calculated here by the SUMIFS function. Now you can drag this formula down till the month of December, and here you see all the sales revenue values are calculated, and this is now dynamic. If you change these criteria, then it will auto update. Now for the profit, you can copy this formula, Control C, Control V, then you have to change the column here for profit. So double click on the formula, then here instead of the sales revenue you have to change it to profit column. So remove the sales revenue, then take this profit column from here, double click on the profit column, then press enter. Now you got the profit value for the month of January for these two criteria. Now drag the formula down, and here you see all the profit values are calculated. Now if you change the sales officer from here, you can see the values gets automatically changed, and if you select the item name from here, the value gets automatically changed, and here this data is presented in a bar chart. This you can do by selecting your data, then go to the insert tab, click on the recommended charts, then here it will suggest different chart style. Here you can take this one, then click on OK. This will insert a chart here. You can customize this chart by right clicking, then go to the format chart area option, and you can make this kind of chart that will make easy to read or understand this data. So this is how we can use the SUMIFS function in Excel to do the sales trend analysis based on multiple criteria. So this is all about today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.